What if I told you that your brain is constantly, at this very moment, eating itself? It sounds like something straight out of a horror movie, doesn't it? The idea of our own command center turning cannibal is definitely unsettling. But before you start to panic, let me tell you something even more surprising. This self-consumption is not only normal, it's one of the most crucial processes that keeps your brain healthy, sharp, and functioning at its best. So, what is actually happening up there? Inside your brain, a natural, highly efficient cleanup process is happening every single day, every single minute. It's a biological phenomenon called phagocytosis. If you break down the word, phago means to eat, and cytosis relates to cells. So, quite literally, phagocytosis means cell eating. It sounds aggressive, but it's really more like meticulous housekeeping. Imagine you have a team of highly specialized microscopic cleaners roaming the intricate pathways of your brain. These cleaners are your glial cells, particularly microglia and astrocytes. Their job is to patrol your neural neighborhoods, constantly on the lookout for anything that doesn't belong. They search for damaged cells that are no longer functioning correctly, old synaptic connections that aren't needed anymore, clumps of broken proteins that could cause traffic jams, and other forms of cellular debris and waste material. When one of these tiny cleaners finds something, it does something amazing. It extends its cellular membrane, surrounds the target, be it a dead cell or a piece of waste, and then it literally engulfs and consumes it. It pulls the debris inside itself and breaks it down into harmless, recyclable components. This isn't an act of destruction. It's a sophisticated act of maintenance, recycling, and renewal. Think about it this way. Your brain is the most active organ in your body. It's working 24/7, even when you're asleep. Every thought you have, every memory you form, every new skill you learn, all of these activities produce metabolic byproducts. Just like a busy city generates trash, your brain generates waste. Now, what would happen if the trash collectors in a city went on strike? The streets would fill with garbage, things would start to smell, traffic would get blocked, and eventually, the city would become an unhealthy, dangerous place to live. The same principle applies to your brain. If this cellular waste were allowed to just sit there and accumulate, it would become toxic. It would clog up the communication lines between neurons, leading to inflammation and oxidative stress, and ultimately, it would damage healthy brain tissue over time. So, these amazing helper cells, these phagocytes, step in and perform their cleanup duty, removing the trash before it ever becomes a serious problem. It's your brain's built-in, non-stop sanitation department. And here is the most important part to understand. Phagocytosis is not a rogue process that harms your brain. It's a highly regulated and precise mechanism that protects it. In fact, it is absolutely essential for keeping your gray matter intact and ensuring your cognitive functions run smoothly. Without this constant cleanup, our ability to learn and remember would weaken significantly. Our thinking would become slower and less clear. And far more seriously, the buildup of this toxic debris is a key factor in the development of devastating neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. Researchers are now discovering that problems with this very phagocytic process might be one of the root causes of these conditions. So, far from being a scary concept, your brain eating itself is one of its greatest defense mechanisms. It's a process of pruning and refining. When you learn something new, your brain creates new connections, or synapses. But to make the network more efficient, it also needs to trim away the connections that are old or unused. Phagocytosis helps with this synaptic pruning, making your neural circuits faster and more streamlined. It acts like a gardener trimming away dead branches to allow the healthy parts of the plant to flourish. So yes, the statement is true, your brain eats itself. But it does so to survive, to repair, to optimize, and to stay sharp for as long as possible. It's a beautiful example of the body's incredible intelligence and its capacity for self-preservation. The human body is full of these strange, counterintuitive truths that sound terrifying at first glance, until you dig a little deeper and realize they actually the very systems keeping you alive and well. Our biology is a treasure trove of mind-blowing secrets. If you enjoy learning about these incredible facts and want to explore more of the hidden wonders of the human body, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. There are so many more secrets left to reveal, and we can explore them together. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious.